Hi friends, welcome to the next tutorial. In this next tutorial, top Android interview questions, we can concentrate on now inheritance. What is inheritance? So, what is inheritance? What is inheritance in a Java? So, this we can see clearly here now. So, what is inheritance? Simply here, it's a processor requiring the members from the one class to other class. Simple way, it's a accessing data from one class to other class. So just I'm writing simply here process of acquiring. Acquiring means using acquiring the members from one class to one class to other class. One class to other class. This is nothing but inheritance. Simply we are acquiring the properties of one class to other class is inheritance. I'm accessing one class properties to other class properties this. Okay, this is this. But using this, what we can do, how this can implement means here using this we can achieve simply we can achieve reusability. So it's simply here main reason for this is reusability. How we can reusability? Like in my entire application, let us consider one simple progress dialog is there. Progress dialog is nothing but in our Android there is a progress dialog which when we are connecting to the net, every place will use that. Also, uh, internet connectivity checking. Every time I'll check this internet connectivity checking. So if I'm checking this internet connectivity as well as this progress dialog every place that I can implement in one place with one class, I can utilize that everywhere where I'm calling that particular internet. I can utilize from here. Also progress dialog from here. That is reusability. So what happens if I reuse this? So here also reduce the if I reuse, it's reduce the code definitely. Because let us consider internet connectivity checking is 100 lines. Every time in 100 places, if I need to write 100 lines of code, instead of writing in 100 places 100 items of code, once I write with 2 or 3 lines of code, I can reuse that. So because of that, it's reducing the code. So once it's reducing the code, application should be speed. Application should be speed. Then also code size should be less. So code size means app size also less. App size also less. So these all are the benefits from this. If it is an sizeless, codeless, then obviously application has the speed also. So this is about inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but which is the process of acquiring the members from one class to another class. So using inheritance, we can achieve reusability. So if it is a reusability, then we can reduce the code. If we reduce the code size should be less. So because of the code size should be less, application as fast. Means it's execute with lesser time. So these are the advantages of inheritance. So thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates.